All right, I'm in Greenville, South Carolina, and we are at a Chevy dealer, and this is part of the carnage chip shortage. While I'm out of town, I figured I would show you the new car dealerships. Oh, there's a Lincoln dealer over there. Lincoln, interesting. But let's see what Chevy has. They don't look like they have much on their lot. I see some commercial trucks. A lot of empty space and some pickups. Over there on Ford I see some. Look at that, empty. We'll go around, we'll see Ford. Cadillac has used cars, which is crazy. And then let's go make a right. Actually, we'll make our left. U-turn. Oh, there's a Culver's here. Didn't even know that. Doing it again with a manual transmission. I did it in the M Roadster last week. Now I'm doing it in a Volvo C30 R design. All right, so we're gonna check out Ford now. Give me a second. Ford. Some Lincolns. Whoa, a lot of empty space. And some used cars here. And then we have Subaru being Subaru is probably just being a little weird anyway. Angle parking. Yep. There you go. Let's find more. And before I forget, here's Chrysler or Jeep Dodge Ram. I can't really tell what they have. All right, but GMC is just obliterated, just like the Chevy dealer was. So the biggest one out of all of them is GM having the biggest struggle. Who'd have figured like one of the big three would have incompetent MBAs? I think that just kind of goes hand in hand, doesn't it? All right. Here's Kia in Greenville, kind of empty. Yeah. Here's Mercedes. Let's see if they're as bad as Mercedes Plano. Used cars. A bunch of used cars. I don't see any new ones. There's one GLB, I think. No, that's certified used. Those are all used. Wow. And then Acura. Used. There you go. Some MDXs. Some TLXs. Pretty full back there. What else we got? Mazda. They had them coming out of their ears at Mazda and Richardson. Yeah, they still have new ones here. Oh yeah, they're deep. Infiniti. Deep. Nope. Well, can't tell really. All right, Buick. Let's see this. Bunch of crap cars. Pardon me, I have to sneeze. They have a lot of used cars. Okay, Lexus. What does Lexus have? Lexus is unaffected. There's some used ones. Land Rover, Volvo, Porsche. And then Toyota. Angled parking again. All right, Nissan. Let's see what Nissan has. Used. Wow. All right, there you go. That's Greenville. So the carnage hasn't really shown up here because they still have a lot of used cars, but there were some empty spots out there. Not as bad as Dallas, but I think it'll make its way here. Thanks for watching.